Hey guys, good morning. There's data that shows that this week is the last week that you get to buy crypto before a massive bull run starts. Do you guys know what that data is? Okay. There's also other data we just talked about to all of our members. Here's what I do, guys. Let me just make this clear. Some of you guys watch this video and you blow me up in the comments and you're really frustrated, but you don't understand the context of these videos. So let me just do this because I'm going to set you guys up for a lot of stuff in this video. Tuesday and Friday, I come out with what's called a future forecast for all of our members. We live trade a close to $250,000 account. I'll show this to you guys right now. Every Tuesday, we are actually entering money into the market. Okay. Currently, we're at $206,461. I showed you guys this morning a couple pieces of data why this week, literally, guys, today is August 22nd. So the week of the August 21st, this could be strong data shows this is the last week to buy crypto before the massive bull run starts. And I promise you guys, if you watch this, you will be convinced at the end. You're like, oh my gosh, I should probably dump all my money into crypto. But hold up, guys, don't sell the farm just yet. There's other data that we found this morning that I'll tell you guys where to find it. Go look at the logarithmic chart on the weekly time frame for Bitcoin. We just had a candle close on the weekly time frame that is a marker, a precursor for the last 3 bear market cycles for Bitcoin. I was trying to remember this. Is the last, actually, no, 4. There's been the last 4 big drops in Bitcoin happened based off the weekly candle close, and we just had that close. So what are you going to do with the data? I share that with you guys. Please, after this, it is going to be worth it. I know you guys are like, who is this guy? Get a membership. It is $59 a month. It is in the description. I'll go over at the end of the video. I want to give you guys data in this video. We're not going to go over all of it, but look at this. We just got a strong buy signal on the top and bottom finder. And you guys are like, well, why would that be a thing that I would want to know? Well, this indicator over here, if you actually compare it to what Michael Saylor has been buying into crypto with, it's actually called better entries than what these big institutions have been able to get in with. So we use this a lot in the market. It calls bottoms. And so we see this over here. And the last time we ended up getting this, Bitcoin actually ended up going on a pump over here of 57% on the last strong buy signal. All right. Now, I know a lot of you guys are like, Bitcoin's going to crash, and I have data that it's going to crash. But there's a lot of data that says this is the last week. Look at well money flow right now. Compare it to when well money flow has been this low in the past. And I want you guys to look at trades in favor sitting down here at a 96% chance of a pump. That is some bullish data for you guys. But there's other data that shows we have a 48% drop that is coming into the market still that could be happening from now until the end of the year. And I'll show that to you guys in the future forecast. Look at this real quick. I want to do a quick study here. On the weekly time frame, we are sitting at a 57% chance of a pump. So very kind of right in the middle line area. Actually, I just thought of something real quick. I'm going to show you guys something I bet you're not looking at. It's on the CME, Chicago Mercantile Exchange Bitcoin charts. I'll show it to you guys in 1 second. The daily time frame is at a 96% chance of a pump. The 4-hour is at a 67% chance of a pump, and the 15-minute is at an 81% chance of a pump, and we are forming a perfect symmetrical triangle pattern on the 15-minute time frame. Something huge is going to happen today and tomorrow. You cannot get a symmetrical triangle pattern with this much focus, what we call pressure in the market, without a fast move to the upside or downside. Long squeezes and short squeezes are coming into the market very, very soon. Let me give you guys one chart out of the 6 that I showed you guys this morning. Do you guys even know this happened? Okay, I'm not trying to be rude at all. Do you guys know that we printed on the futures market for Bitcoin a new Chicago Mercantile Exchange gap? Did anybody know this? If not, I'm going to show this to you guys right now. Here's the study that you all need to be watching for, because if you guys know about gaps, this is where institutions like to drive the price down to or up to. There are 2 gaps right now on Bitcoin that have not been filled. And you better know about this. You've got a gap down here that is sitting right between the low level of 20,300 and the higher level of 21,200. That is the lower CME gap that has not been filled yet. We also created a few days ago a gap that the bottom is at 27,000, moving up here to about 27,625. Now the question is, if the market is going to drop back down, we could potentially be seeing, let's give ourselves a price tool here, we could be seeing another 18 to 22% crash in Bitcoin, and that's not unlikely because we've already broken what's called the ascending support line, which is this one right here. We've already broken it, And we've already had a break and retest on lower time frames, confirming the move back down. And the next spot we could drop to is basically around this $21,000 mark. That's a case for the bears. But I'm telling you guys, you guys are going to be like, well, why aren't you sharing this with me? Guys, the data that we go over in the future forecast, we never release on YouTube because it takes so much time to acquire this data. Watch the data there, because not only are we going to show you guys why this week from... what is it? I mean, we went from 2012. So we have basically over 10 years of data that shows this week in August 22nd, literally this week, is when we're about to blast off. And if you don't have money into the market, or if you're looking to dollar cost average in, you should be getting more money in right now. It's very polarizing right now. So watch that in the future forecast. So I want to leave this here. What's going to happen? I'm going to show that to you guys. Jake's going to come out with more analysis, but here's what I want you guys to do. After this video, just take a look at this. I'll read this to you guys real quick and we'll end this video, okay? I'm going to show you the data that marks this week, August 21st, as the last week to buy crypto before a massive bull run starts. Okay, we're also going to take a look at the data that further suggests a crash down. But more importantly, I will show you how to take advantage of this market so you win no matter what happens with very unique risk management strategy. This is what I'm teaching you guys in the future forecast. My wife and I, we are trading I'm trading every single Tuesday with you guys for the next 34 weeks in our membership. And our goal is to take our $250,000 account, which has been seeing a dip down here with the market crash, up to over $1 million in profit. We know what BlackRock's looking to invest into, so I'm going to teach you guys that. I'm going to show you what coins I'm going to be getting into, and I'm so passionate when I come out on these videos on Tuesday and Friday because I know this stuff can help you guys. You're not going to see this stuff on YouTube because we're looking at charts that I haven't seen anyone talk about this stuff. Like, do you guys know about the millionaire line that we're deeming the millionaire line that has made people literally millions of dollars? Like, if you haven't heard about that, we're talking about that, okay? So have a great day, guys. Go to a coffee shop. Go to tradeconfident.io. There's a link in the description. I'm sorry I don't have this popped up here, but on the front page of tradeconfident.io, to the top right, there's a subscribe button. First thing you guys want to do is go ahead and subscribe again. We're being honest with everybody. It's $59 a month. I usually don't say this, but if you guys just want to get a membership just for today to watch this future forecast, this one is the best one we've done all month, okay? It sounds like I'm degrading everything else we've done, but this will be the best one we do all month. It will be better than Friday, okay? Because the data we show you is time sensitive, which you guys need to see right now. Go over to get a membership, come over to Telegram. Make sure you guys are getting into the Telegram access. It's free for everybody. This is where we're calling our trade setups out. We currently hold the highest win record on all of YouTube at 64 wins and 0 losses. I'm not going to go over this because it takes a long time, but this is our spreadsheet that's open to the public. 2,560% more profit called out than the S&P 500 returns. So that's our scalping trades, and then click on right here where it says future forecast, and this is where we're taking the $250,000 account up and over $1 million. Watch all this stuff, guys. I'm telling you, you'll see what BlackRock's looking to invest into in these future forecasts. Just watch the last three. You're going to see what we're investing into, the risk management strategy that we're using. And I'm telling you guys, I really believe you're going to have a lot of wisdom over here of what to do. Last but not least, let me just say this to you guys. If you guys want the indicators that have been able to call these drops down in the market, which is basically our top and bottom finder, our price or swell money flow, trades in favor, you guys want to get these. Everybody who's a member, we're actually going to give you guys $450 off all of our indicators. We do not release this to the public. Once you're a member, click access coupon code. You'll get $300 off the top and bottom finder. We're going to pay basically for about 4 months of your membership for free right when you get in. And then we're going to pay for another 2.5 months of your membership by giving you another $150 off the bundle pack of indicators. So membership, watch the future forecast first and foremost, the most important thing. And then if you guys want the indicators, that's totally up to you. Make sure you click access coupon codes and we'll give you guys up to $450 off all the indicators that only members can receive. All right, guys, I'm going to leave it there. These videos that I come out with on Tuesday and Friday, this is me letting you guys know what we're doing in the membership. I know a lot of this is like, you guys are going to see us get blown up on YouTube. This is how we run our channel. Jake is going to do 2 videos today. He does 2 videos almost every day of the week, giving you guys really good technical analysis. But we are never going to release the things that we show and the live trades that we take in the future forecast on YouTube here because we want to keep that for our paying subscribers. We put so much time and effort into that. And you guys will understand when you watch the video, it's like 40 minutes long this morning, but it is constant chart to chart to chart to chart to show you guys why we're going to see a massive pump here or we could see a massive drop. And then we're going to live trade and we're going to show you guys a risk management strategy you can trade right now. I'm excited about this. I get jacked about these videos every time I come on because we hear the testimonials from you guys, just being so thankful for those. And I think you're going to love it. All right. Guys, I love you. Have a great day. I'll see you guys on Friday's Future Forecast in the membership. I'll leave links to this in the description of this video. I'll pin it to the first comment. Join the membership, and I'll have a CTA pop up after this video to remind you guys it's in the description for the subscription. All right, guys, I love you guys. Even if you get 1 month and you want to cancel, that's fine. Watch the Future Forecast today. God bless you guys, and I'll see you guys on Friday. Bye, guys.